Have you ever tried to solve a complex math problem involving moving parts, like a swinging pendulum or a circuit with changing currents, only to get stuck in a maze of calculus? Sometimes the hardest way to solve a problem is to look at it directly. The Laplace transform is a mathematical tool that lets you take a difficult problem in time, move it into a new perspective called the frequency domain, solve it using simple algebra, and then move back to your original answer. The core idea is to multiply your function by something called a kernel, which is e to the power of negative s times t, and then add up all those values from 0 to infinity. This integral transforms your time function into a new function of s. Here, s is a complex number made of a real part and an imaginary part. Let us try this with the simplest function, the number 1. We integrate 1 times e to the power of negative s times t from 0 to infinity. The result is 1 divided by s. If we try this with the function t, we use a method called integration by parts, and we get 1 divided by s squared. This works because the transform turns calculus operations into basic algebra. Differentiation, which is usually hard, becomes simple multiplication. Integration becomes division. This is why engineers use it to solve differential equations, which are equations that describe how things change over time. You might wonder why we only look at time from 0 to infinity. We do this because the transform is designed to analyze systems starting from a specific moment, like when you flip a switch. It is important to know that not every function has a transform. Some functions grow so fast that the integral never settles on a single value. To solve a differential equation, you first transform every part of the equation into the s domain. This turns your calculus problem into an algebraic one. You solve for your variable, and then you perform an inverse transform to return to the time domain. The Laplace transform is the secret bridge between the chaos of changing systems and the order of algebra. It turns the complex language of motion into the simple language of numbers. By shifting your perspective, you do not just solve the problem. You see the structure hidden inside it. Once you master this shift, you can handle almost any linear system that changes over time. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.app.